How can you make more money more often from more people? That is the goal of my Instant Authority Blueprint that I'm giving you free today. Just click on the link down below. It's yours. It's 5 steps that you can take. 5 steps, get on camera there, that you can take to be more successful and increase your income and multiply your profits today. And the second step in the Instant Authority Blueprint is to have a persona. And how do you create a persona? And that's like your personal brand. So celebrities might have one, Tony Stark and Iron Man, what's his name? I can't even remember right now. But whatever, a personal brand is how you speak, the words you use, what you're known for, how you dress, your image, the people that you are seen with and hang around with, if you're a co-author in a book and so on. So when I got started, I was mentored by Jay Abraham and Dan Kennedy and so on. I eventually got to share the stage with them. And Jay Conrad Levinson, all these just foundational people in the marketing and sales industry that I work in. I was just honored. But you can have a persona that you create. Dr. Oz and Dr. Phil I often recognize because they were on Oprah so many times, they eventually got their own shows. So there's a great example of a persona created by brand writing, I call it, with someone who's already known, recognized, and trust. So think about your persona today. What do you want your image to be when people first see you? What are the words you use, phrases? So sometimes you pick a phrase. Mine is customer catcher. I help you get business until you beg me to stop in some of my campaigns. So that's part of my persona. The blue shirt and the jacket that you see me often in my other videos wearing, that's part of my persona. I wear that when I speak at live events. So people go, hey, look at that on the business card, on the website, on the stage. So you have this congruent image that you present on a regular basis. Okay, so check on your persona today, think about it, download the free Instant Authority Blueprint below, and I'm wishing you much success, and I'll see you again next time.